Here we have the Revolution Mini Pack Baler. Now this is a great unit for baling plastic, be it bags, be it stretch film, anything that comes off pallets. Now it's completely mobile, it has no power, it has wheels set so you can move it anywhere within the plant depending on what you're going to do. So just to give you a quick demo, what I've taken is some Revolution Bale strap. It's corded strap. We've put a loop in the end of each piece, which on the front gate there's a slot at the bottom where it hooks in. So just through the gate, all the way to the bottom, and then the strap just drops in and goes behind the door. Door drops in, outlet on, loops in with the door latch locked, and now we're ready to go. I mean, you can bale any type of plastic. This here, an example, is just wrap that we've taken off a pallet that comes in here. Now once you've got to the point where the plastic is to the lid and it needs to be compressed, it's very simple. This plate handle pushes down, compresses the plastic. It's got a little latch. Once it's compressed, you can leave it. And if you want to bale plastic at a different part of the plant, you can just wheel it, move it to the job. Obviously with the baler, it spends about 95% of its time in this position where it's compressing the plastic. Just keep compressing the bale until you've got it to about as maximum pressure that you can push down the handle and click the latch, and you just leave it over time, be it an hour or two. It'll expel all the air out of the bale. Then when the bale is finished, it's just a matter of tying off the strap, which comes through the door, loops down to the bottom, through the loop, and just tie off the bale. Similar with the second strap. Just loops through, ties off, and then once it's tied off, you just release the pressure, open the gate, the bale comes out.